Welcome. For this tutorial, I prepared a scene with a 3D asset, set the camera, lightning, and some shadows. But I would like to add a feature for my scene. I want that every time I zoom out, the camera will automatically zoom back in. For that simple but cool feature, I want to introduce you to one of the most unique nodes available in Badvisor. Go to the outliner and add a conditions node. Condition nodes are a really powerful tool that once you master it, you can create a lot of amazing interactive experiences. First, we have the name and a place to add some nodes. Right after, we have a button that says Add Condition. Then there are two options: True, then False. If you click now on Add Condition, you can now set a property. I previously created an animate node to bring my camera into a start position. But now I want a second camera animation to do a zoom in. Add a new animate node. Change the name and set the frame duration to 30. Open the camera node. I will move the frames to the end, enable mapping, and pick only the distance. You can disable mapping, and now comes the interesting part. If I click on Set Properties, I can map different values. In this case, I want to pick the distance. Under the picked value, I have multiple options like equal to, greater than, or less than. For this situation, I will select greater than because I want to play this zoom in animation anytime the value is bigger than 3. Then, under value, I will input 3 and connect the animate node to true. Alright. Now, every time, the distance of my camera is bigger or greater than 3. When true, it will automatically play the zoom in animation. If I zoom out now and click on Start, I see that the animation works. Now, I want this animation to be triggered by something. Go to Settings in the outliner and open Scene Settings. Below, you have different options to trigger the animation, such as on-click, double-click, or when moving the mouse. I will connect the condition to the option On Pointer Move. Now, every time I move my mouse in any direction and click after, it will check the condition and zoom in if the distance is bigger than 3. That is it for this video. I hope you find this introduction interesting, and I am looking forward to see some of your ideas, or let me know if you have any more questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.